Okay. Rest first. Come on. Oops. Stand up. Painit na si maming water, nak. Painit na akong water. Okay. Preparing their baon. Okay. Simple like this lang po. Okay. Yan na naman po sila. Come here na. Matt, Kent. Come here na. Ito. Come here na. Ligo na tayo. Come on. Oo. Ligo na tayo. Go. Ay, no short yet. We have shorts already. Let's go. Saan kayo didre? Or, tara, here, come here. Have shorts. Come here. Carry ko na kayo. Ay, Diyos ko mga anak ko. Tad, sarado mo yan. Baka magising yung isa. Okay, come. Eating breakfast. What are you eating, kuya? Chicken candies.
Dama!
Kuya is adobo.
Dama!
Hi! Yay! Done na! Going school na! Uy! Why you shocked, Kent? Kent! Hi, Kent! Going home. Going work. Right.